Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the recipe for mushroom coconut curry. This curry is so tasty that you will not miss chicken curry. Let us take a look at the ingredients. 250 grams of mushroom cut into quarters, 1 small onion sliced, 1 tomato chopped, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. To prepare the masala paste, we require 1 large onion sliced, 4 dried red chillies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 inch of ginger sliced, 4 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, and half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Let's get cooking. Heat a pan on medium-low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the coriander and fennel seeds. Fry for about 1 minute and take it out in a plate. Next, add half a teaspoon of oil and fry the sliced ginger and garlic for about 1 minute and then take it out. Fry the dried red chillies for a minute and take out. Also fry the coriander leaves for half a minute and take it out. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and fry the sliced onions till they start turning brown. At this point, we will add the grated coconut and fry for 2 minutes until it starts changing color. Turn off the flame and take it out in a plate. Let all the fried ingredients cool down completely. Add all the fried ingredients in a blender jar. Add water as required and blend it to a fine paste. Masala paste is now ready. Heat a kadai on medium flame. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions and fry till they start turning brown. Now add the mushrooms and fry it with the onions. Close the lid and let the mushrooms cook through. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. No need to add any water as mushroom will release water. Once the mushroom is cooked, add the chopped tomatoes and mix. Add the ground masala paste. Add water as required to adjust the consistency of the curry. Add salt as required and mix everything well. Let the curry come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add half a teaspoon of garam masala and chopped coriander leaves. Stir it well and let it cook for 2 more minutes. Delicious mushroom coconut curry is ready to be served. Have it with roti or steamed rice. If you like the video, please share with family and friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new videos. Thank you for watching.